Hi friends, and welcome back to another Woolworths and Big W Mystery Bricks unboxing. Here we go. This one, my guess, I reckon it's going to be a person. I certainly hope so. Let's check. Rip. We have a first look inside, and it is, oh my goodness, I just saw a face. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. It's a person. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. We've opened so many, we haven't had a person yet, and look, it's Mum. Okay, so here we go. Let's build Mum. I'll bring you guys in a bit closer. There we go. So what we've got is we've got Mum's head, and we've got her hair. We've got two arms. We've got her body and her legs. So let's go. We pop her hair on first. And, oh, there we go. Then we're going to put her head onto her body like this. Click. And she's got a purple body, hasn't she? Let's put her legs on next. These are quite easy. You just click on. Oh, there we go. That way she can sit down or she can stand up. Then we can put her arm on. There's, oops, they're very little pieces. There we go. Arm on there. And another arm on here. And click. There we go. There. She looks like a happy mum. Now we've got stickers here. 2 stickers. So let's see. One's for the front of her t-shirt and one's for the back. So I reckon this one goes on the front. So we just move her arms a bit. And then we put this. Oh, yeah, it looks like she's wearing, I guess, a tracksuit, huh? That's cute. And then we'll turn her around and put her, yeah, it's a hoodie. She's wearing a hoodie. There we go. Good on you, Mum. Mum's wearing a hoodie. Oh, no. These stickers are a little bit difficult to peel off. Just a little bit. I've had trouble in the past and I really don't want to ruin the sticker. There we go. Oh, goodness. All right. So now we can pop Mum's hoodie on. There we go. Perfect. And there is Mum. And guess what, yo? This is our first human. This is our first person. So how good's that? We can pop her over here with the others. Maybe we'll sit her down. She can sit there. Yay! All right. Well, you know what? I have another packet. Whoops. I have another 2 packets to open. So let's open. We'll do this one next. This one feels like, it feels familiar. I think we've had this one before. So let's open. We rip him open. And let's have a look. Oh, no. This is a brand new one altogether. And this one's called, it's a coffee maker. Oh, I'm really excited about this. Let's open it up and let's not drop any pieces anywhere because I've done that before. Wow, this is so exciting. Yes, there's nothing left in there. All right, let's get you guys nice and close. All right, so this is the coffee maker, and it looks like there are stickers on the back too, so this is an extra fun one to do. Wow, we've got all these yellow pieces, 1 brown piece, and this gorgeous, cute little mug. How lovely is that? I think it's a mug at least. All right, let's get started. This one, it kind of looks like that bit goes on the bottom, this bit here. So that's the bit we'll do on the bottom first. And it actually looks like the jug sits there, or the cup. So we'll put the cup there. And then we will put one of these guys. I think, I think it goes like this. Does it? No, it doesn't. Well, all right. Let's start with this square bit here. That goes on top like so. Okay, I think. And then this rounded one goes there, I think. And then I think that one might go like this. Maybe. I hope I'm right. And then the round one goes on the side like that. And then hopefully, is that right? Oh, geez, I hope it's right. Maybe that one turns like that. Yeah, I hope that's right. So if that is right, and I think it is, we'll get the stickers happening. Oops, that's a little bit turned. There we go. This is really good for little tiny hands. So there's a circle here, and I can see there's a circle sticker, and it looks like temperature or like a little knob. So we'll put that there. Oops! I pressed a little bit too hard and it came off. Whoopsie daisy. All right, now we put that on there. And you know what? We can turn this knob too. Oops. Can we? Yeah, we can. Oh, if we take this off and we take the cup off, we can turn it. Can we? No, we cannot. That's okay. It's fine like that. I love it. And we put the cup back on, and then we put the coffee maker back on. I think that's right. Now, there is one more sticker, and that sticker is a picture of coffee beans. So we'll take that out, and the sticker, it goes right on top. That makes sense, because that's where the coffee beans, that's where you would pour coffee beans into the top. So we'll press that down, and there we go. We've got our very own coffee maker. How fun and exquisite is that? That's wonderful. Maybe put that over here. Well, you know what? We're going to put it next to the straw. We have one more packet to open. Amazing. Now, I wonder what we're going to have. Do you think we're going to get a double up, or do you think it's going to be a completely new one? Let's check. Rip this open, and as always, give you guys first looks. What is that? Oh my goodness, it's another new one. Yes, all right, it's a toaster. Yay, we've not had this one. Woohoo! Let's get all these pieces out. And let's build a toaster. How exciting. Oh, I love a toaster. Wow, this one, looks a little bit complicated. And look at all the excellent stickers. Oh, this is going to be fun. All right. So let's get building. We've got black pieces, and we've got grey pieces, and we've got light brown pieces, and a circle bit too. Okay. Yeah, so let's build. Okay, let's do this together. So we'll start with this one. We put a little brick there. Goodness, they're hard. Oh, there we go. Put a brick there. Another brick here. Oh. And then it's asking for the circle bit to go here. So we'll put the circle bit there. There we go. And then it's asking for this bit to go here. So we'll do that. I think that's right so far. I'm hoping that's right so far. And then it's asking for that bit to go there. And I might have gotten it wrong. Did I get it wrong? That looks like I've gotten it wrong. That's okay. We can start again. I think this piece needs to be turned around. Does it? Let's check. Come on. Oh, it's hard. But just remember, you can do hard things. I keep telling my little 3-year-old all the time, you can do hard things. Don't say I can't do it. You can. You just have to keep trying. Let's see if I can get it right this time. So we put that guy there. And that one at the back. And then we'll put this one like so. All right, it's already looking much better. Then we put this one here. Yes. This piece here. Oh my goodness, it's working. And there's our toaster. And then we'll put this bit here. Yes! Oh my goodness. All right, that's our toaster. And we've got our little stickeries here. So we'll put the side stickers on. That goes there. Oops, that's very... Oh no! Don't worry if you don't get it right. It's okay. Sometimes we make mistakes. So let's try that again. And put the sticker there. Okay, it's not straight, but that's okay. That's all right. We've got another chance to do it on this side nice and straight. So we'll grab that sticker there and put it on as straight as possible. There we go. Now we've got the dial to put on to see how well we want our toast cooked. We want it very cooked or only a little bit cooked. Tell me in the comments, how do you like your toast? Do you like it very, very dark or just light? There we go. Now, we've got these two things here, and they are going to be slices of toast. How cute! So we'll get the stickers and we'll put the toast sticker on the actual toast piece. There's one bit of toast. And there is another bit of toast. We just put the sticker on. What do you like on your toast? I like butter and Vegemite. Yummy. And there we go. And if we wanted to, could we put the toast... I don't think the toast actually goes in the toaster. But there we go. We've got some toast and a toaster. How stinking cute. Amazing. And you know what? It goes with our coffee maker. All right. Now, I've got another packet here, but I'm not going to open it in this video. I'm not opening it now. I will open it in the very next video. So I want you to press the like button, the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the notifications bell. That way you'll get told of the next time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.